Happy birthday to you.
Good morning.
Morning. Look who we have here. Birthday boy. Birthday boy Island.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Dad.
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Island. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! It's your birthday today, Goody.
Yeah.
How old are you? One,
One,
two,
2,
three. Tell the people them.
1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
Yay! That's it. You excited for today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rainbow sky.
Yeah.
And what else?
And surprises, eh?
Little TV cake.
Ah, mine on cake, eh?
How many cakes?
Sonic, Tilks, and Little TV, and 1, 2, 3 cakes.
3 cakes?
Really?
Wow, that's a lot of cake. My gosh. Mummy's going to look like a balloon with all those cakes.
Oh
Oh my
my God.
god, morning guys.
Oh,
Oh, what
welcome
a
back.
day. Someone was ticky early in the morning today with their phone.
What do you mean, tiki tiki?
We're playing
oh,
PUBG.
PUBG.
Oh, I could hear. Oh, help. Oh my god. I was tired. I went to bed at midnight. I waited until Island's birthday.
And I already cooked breakfast.
And Isla was, oh, that's nice. That's why I can smell food. I'm like, smells like food.
Breakfast is ready.
But yeah, guys. Oh my god.
So yeah, guys, stick around for today. It's Island birthday, July 31st.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Little star there.
Look at that smile. Okay.
Yeah, man.
$1 million smile.
Tell you. So, stick around, guys. Stay tuned for what next.
What next?
Blessings.
Blessings. Peace.
Yay!
Yeah.
Which one? Paul or Superman?
Superman.
Superman? Okay, you go Superman.
Oh, that big W, guys.
Yeah, oh, party section over there. Okay, come on. Put a big star there, okay? No more K, no more K. No more K.
We're at the party section.
Cheapers.
Number 3. I'm gonna need assistance.
Instead of the waist, to lessen the strain on your back. Remembering these simple techniques will help prevent the risk and reduce the number of back injuries. Thank you.
Mama, this, Dada. This.
Yeah, we're gonna pick out something good for you, Bubba.
Is it Superman or Spider-Man?
Superman.
Superman or
Yeah.
Spider-Man?
Superman.
Superman.
Yeah.
Look at his eyes, guys. You rub it till it's swollen.
Thank you, thank you. We're just still looking anyhow. Okay.
Batman, Mom.
Yeah, I'm looking for
Well, it's Mario. It's a seat. Yeah.
oh, Mario Brothers.
Yeah.
Just browsing.
Mario Brothers.
That's probably what it is.
That's it.
This.
Arabella's here.
Oh, hi, how you going?
That's alright. Can I get this blown up for me? Yes, thanks. Can it be attached to this? Little candles. For him.
Yeah. Big number 3. Big
Your
smile.
day.
Yeah.
It's your special day today.
No, this.
You want everything. You can't have everything.
Please.
One at a time, one at a time.
Can I go for now? No.
What you say?
School?
No.
Yeah, you start school on Friday.
No.
Those, you sort of fish that and that.
Some plates here. Just waiting. Look at that.
Look at that, mister.
Thinking of getting in my costume, guys. Yeah. Is that Spider-Man?
Oh no.
Oh, Superman.
Superman.
Yeah, now we get some cups.
You want? Are you
wanna
dress
wear
up in
it?
this? Yeah, it's Superman. You like Superman? They like all the characters.
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
Birthday boy. Big number 3.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
All right, one more place. Let's go this way.
Grab some cups. There you go. Happy birthday. Yeah, boy. So we're grabbing some spoons as well for the cake. Next thing we need to get, guys, is a bag for Island for school.
School on Friday.
Yeah. Yeah, be a no, you're funny. Which bag you like? You like bluey?
Past blue stage. Games. That one. Okay, you like this one, Dad? Or how about dinosaurs? You like this one? Dinosaurs. You grab it for him, Mickey? Which one? Dinosaurs, Jurassic Park.
I think they probably need like smaller size, like size like this, but I'm not seeing much of that size.
Disneyland.
These are quite big for him.
Maybe just the plain black one then.
Yeah.
Alan, this one?
These are the choice, I would think. You really like
Comes with
lunch
a
bag.
lunch bag thing with it. Yeah, I think that was good. Good for him.
For real.
Yep. Hello.
Yes, Bobby.
Yay! Birthday!
I just got tricked. Baby's telling me said this is for dogs, and I thought it was like a mask. I thought it was like a mask. Baby said this is so their foot go through here and their head go through here. That's funny. The dog them get dressed up here so.
Yep. Dogs get spoiled around here.
Globe. Kids globe.
Look.
So that it tells them countries and stuff.
Quizzes them.
Oh, quiz.
To travel around the world, discover people, places, animals, and much more. With over 5 hours of video from the BBC, play 3 exciting games, download additional.
I feel like it's good for him, but when he's a bit older.
These are my toys.
Watch him, guys. Oh my god. Alan,
Uncle.
No.
Alan, listen. One
No, but I
toy.
there's something there.
One toy. Because you already got a lot of toys.
I don't cut it out.
Hang on.
It's there.
You like bear?
Yes.
Lihat tadi it's for 6+ years old, darling. Let's still see what other sandwich stuff there is. Drawing? I think you can draw colouring here.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yes.
You like it? I think it's a good idea, better than the phone. What do you reckon, Dad?
Sounds good.
Bit of colouring in. They have board games here.
Got this little jacket, guys. It's so nice.
Get it for him.
Yeah. It's his size, eh?
Size 4. The big one that you can wear. $15 for that.
Mm.
Island, look, Spider-Man. Is it Spider-Man?
No.
No, it's Marvel.
Oh.
Yeah. Batman.
What are those? Oh, like glasses, babe.
Batman.
Or like kids' glasses and stuff, yeah.
What you do need is a new hat for school. Look, Spider-Man hat.
Yeah.
Show Daddy.
Look. Yay! Cute boy. Yes, sir.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's a bit big on you. Got this one's a bit smaller.
No Batman.
That one look like his size, Bobo.
Yeah, this one looks more like his size, eh?
Mm.
Not good.
Not good. Can't adjust the size.
Mm.
Which one do you like? You don't like that one? Which one do you like?
You're a picky boy.
Huh?
Batman.
This one?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Kachi atalai.
Say, Island, say Kachi Hadalai.
Cassie.
Trouble.
There's plenty of more boys' hats and they're all gone.
Mm.
Like they got more girls' hats than boys.
Yeah.
You want girls' hat?
Yeah.
No. So something like that where you can put your little snacks in it. Not peanuts. Some kids are allergic to nuts.
Yeah.
Like fruits, and then you put your little snacks in there.
Yeah. Good idea.
Yeah. But what he needs more or less is he needs to put a sandwich in something like this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
No donuts.
Hmm?
Donuts.
Okay. Alright, you're going to get donuts.
And then
I'm going to get him this, but what I was thinking was we should get him this, then
Yeah, that
put your
section.
stuff, yeah,
And
and
still
then
have that.
what do you reckon, babe?
I don't know. Think which
I
one
like
better.
a half a sandwich can go in there.
Yeah. I guess you don't eat much anyway, so that could work too.
Or then you can get. What do you reckon?
yes.
Yeah, we can choose that.
This one, or we can get him that, or we can get him a bigger one,
Yes.
which is
Yes. Yeah.
you can put his sandwich in there, and some little fruits and stuff in here,
Yeah, sounds
or
good.
something on the top. I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Bobby, what do you reckon, Bobby?
Yeah.
Oh, these ones. I used to get these. Which is
Okay. Yeah. So you have that space, and
Then you have
that
these,
that compartment there. Okay.
and
Yeah.
that's $10.
Yeah. Yeah, that can work. Yeah.
Alright, Alan, can you open this for mum? How do you open it here? Just gonna make sure he can open it. Open here. That's yours.
And donuts here.
Hmm?
And donuts
Are
here.
you yet to take to school?
No.
You're no way the pan.
Wow.
Yeah. Alright, we might take that one for him. Look, at the end of the day, if he doesn't use it, you can use it.
Yeah, it's for him. He'll be good. He'll learn to use it.
This might work for him too, though. It's a little bit easier than that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take in this one. Here, Arlen, we'll take this one instead. This one's easier for you.
But when I go school, no.
You not go to school?
No.
Yeah, they easy though.
They've got some really good stuff here, guys. Like even this. Like, oh, wait, hang on. Okay, I don't know how to open it.
No.
Oh, okay, there we go.
No, Mom.
It's got 2 compartments in it. Oh, interesting. Okay, let's get done.
Ireland's gonna take a professional photo, guys. Look at that boy.
Handsome boy. Alright, give me your toy. You can play with it later.
Which way do you usually
Yeah, bit of a cone. It's bad hair, it's still bad hair. Wow, handsome boy.
Oh! Oh, he's got the most beautiful hair. Can we just get a white for your face?
He's ready for his photo. Looks like a movie star with the lights flashing in.
He does, Look at it.
Already a pose. Pose for pitch time, eh? It's a real star boy, you know? Island full of tours.
So you get 3 shots in the right two sides. Come in here if you can. Put your VIP instead of one. So you get VIP voucher.
Yeah, go there. Look at that. He's so ready. We're gonna put the number 3 in? Or, oh, after. Oh, yeah.
We just can't do photos on your
Oh, sorry.
So guys, Island had a mad photo shoot and we're happy with the outcome, yeah babe?
Yeah, beautiful.
Very nice photos indeed. So we get to see the finish line in a few weeks, guys. You'll all get to see them. Oh, there you go, Bobby.
Down, let go down.
Yeah. Go cook the barbecue.
We couldn't film much. They didn't want us to film much.
Yeah, she did say, because I think it's like wrecking their company policy stuff. So
Couldn't show you guys.
couldn't show you, but trust me, they look amazing.
Yeah.
Down,
Yeah,
let go down.
we did get to see them, guys. So yeah,
Down,
and we got to get in the photo shoot too. Woo. Photo shoot for us. Let's go now.
What the rest of the day brings.
Yeah, oh God.
Giving the car a quick wash.
It was dirty from yesterday, guys.
Yeah, when we go
When
fishing.
we went fishing at the river, so
Yeah.
we're giving it a wash.
Machine operate, you know?
At least all that dust now is going to be off the car.
This, babe. Is this soap?
Yeah.
Sure, that looks really weird.
Like a rainbow color.
Yeah. All done here now, clean. No more dust.
And they even have a dog wash.
Oh, really? Dog wash?
Yeah.
People are easy, you know, man.
No more that now.
Welcome to foreign.
All this for little island boy's birthday.
Cut it like this.
Yeah, that's funny. Hey, Mr. Cook and hubby cooked the asado today, so big up, big up, big up. Island, what do you say?
That's why we get
Not yet.
It's your birthday, man.
Tuyo, boludo, es tuyo.
Ready, put this one down. Yeah, can you do that? Put that.
You gotta wait a white.
Not yet, you have to wait. You have to wait.
Hold on, mamá.
Yeah, we're going to put on a take a photo of you now. I'll go stand next to Alan. David, with the lighter. David, with your lighter.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile.
Mine, yeah, you too. Do the face.
Okay, mister.
Do the face, yeah.
Very
Island, do
good.
this one. Island.
Right, da. No, da. Stand behind Alan. No, da. Behind.
No me suena a mí, vos, ¿eh?
Ready?
No la bono.
Ready? Wait, 1 second. Ready? Smile. Come on, Charlotte.
Three.
Island.
Have to sing first. Have to sing your birthday first before blow. Don't blow.
Don't play yet. Don't play yet. We're gonna sing happy birthday first,
Okay.
and then we do.
Okay. So many okay.
Oh shit.
What happened?
Sorry, Molly.
What happens like that, man?
All right.
Happy
Wait, no. 1 second. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
No, uno,
Dos, tres.
tres. Okay.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Highland. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Blow!
Vamos, boom.
Yeah. Oh. One more.
Big birthday, boy.
I did it on my step. I never eat it now.
Well done. Very
My
good.
goodness.
You ready to eat now?
My goodness.
Mary, move.
I'm having this thing for my
Mommy can't.
birthday.
1 second. You touch the bottom, you have to kiss the next girl next to you.
Oh, yeah. No,
Yeah, he goes, yeah. No problem.
Alistair, run away. Alistair, run away. Or else he has to kick some
Okay, ready?
You're
You're gonna cut it. You're gonna cut Sonic now. Wow. Okay. Wow. Oh, you touched the bottom. You have to kiss the next girl next to you.
Yeah.
You have to kiss the girl.
You got to kiss this one.
You have to kiss the girl next to you.
Here.
Girl.
We need
Here,
plate.
kiss it.
Hang on. Let me do that. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Hang on. Because you are the birthday boy, you get the first cake, right?
Yeah, then Alistair.
Then
Second
Alistair.
Alistair. Third Carlo.
Wow.
Look at
that.
Wow.
Wow. Okay.
Alistair. Look, buddy.
Hang on. Dad's gonna get you the spoon.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Look, buddy. Look, buddy.
Mary.
Yeah.
Oh, there, funny. That's the leg.
Yeah, give it to you. Master Chef doesn't even have nothing.
No. Some packets they have another side to open and close.
Yeah, open it.
No, I try to look. They have that one.
That's yours,
Oh,
Island.
wow.
No, David,
Because-
you never buy. You can open this one and after close.
Alistair.
No.
Alistair.
Alistair.
There you go.
Yeah, Carlo.
Oh, you're better at this than me. Yeah, you can cut.
Nice.
And Dad can cut the rest.
Thank you.
Thank you to Allah.
You give it a kiss to Ireland.
You're
huh?
alright.
You give it a kiss to Ireland.
Smell nice, the cake.
Oh my goodness!
So cute.
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy for my tummy. Yummy for my tummy.
Smell nice cake.
My goodness.
David, ¿sabes que hoy que me pasó? El agua se me cagó.
What do you mean?
Like it just stopped. The water
The whole
just
order?
stopped.
Yeah.
And I had to ring. I had to ring
Plumber?
the council. They came and had a look
Mm.
at it. I know.
You do like the kiss?
Yeah, they're cute.
That's
Daddy,
fine.
you need Kiss Island.
Tomorrow, lucky I got 4 days off to do lots of things.
And it's raining tomorrow,
You see that?
My goodness, that's no.
You want to know?
That's for no.
No, next, being the old man.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Hey,
Take it easy.
why are you laughing for no?
No, old man.
Oh, man.
Taste?
Oh,
Oh, no.
Pick it up.
Pick it up, Island.
Guess how big?
Doesn't matter. No.
Done, no problem.
Island, move him in, Papi. Move him inside.
I know.
I love this one.
Oh,
Look at their lips are blue. What the hell?
you fun.
And our tongues are red
You fun.
from the wine.
You fun.
After we bring all the presents out, where's your ball? One song for Island.
Oh, yeah, I love that song.
He loves that
Gummy
song.
Bear?
Well,
Watch him go off.
Yes.
All
I
right,
know.
ready?
I did that on my school.
Really?
Yeah.
This is his favorite song. Drives me
that
mad.
one is, yeah.
Give her mine.
This food.
Yeah.
Island, this way.
I love that, Dad.
Doing a drift. He's doing a drift. What is it?
Very, very good.
Nice cake, yeah? Yeah. cake?
I'm gonna